This Auto Dynasty exhaust is tailored specifically for late 2000s to early 2000 teens, Silverado and Sierra 1500 crew, and extended cab short bed trucks, so fitment is straightforward and predictable. The catback design improves exhaust flow noticeably, giving the truck a stronger pull and more responsive low end without turning the sound into an obnoxious drone. Its tubing is formed with smooth mandrel bends and neatly executed welds, which helps both performance and long-term reliability under daily driving or towing. The stainless steel construction and carefully finished muffler tip resist rust and road grime far better than many factory-style systems. Installation is relatively simple for anyone comfortable working under a truck, and the layout is designed to reuse factory mounting points where possible. Overall, this system offers a satisfying mix of deeper exhaust tone, modest power gains, and durable build quality that suits a work truck or weekend toy alike.